Mr. Peterson! No, Mr. Peterson! No, Mr. Peterson! Philip!
Hey, Gabriela.
Listening.
I'm so sorry. Your father just died. Can you hear me?
Finally.
I'm so sorry for your loss. How was the funeral?
The funeral was extravagant. Like this whole life.
Where's your brother?
No! A new car is just amazing.
Oh, I know. And soon enough, we'll have enough money to buy for it fully.
Oh, maybe we could get a new car for Edmund too.
Sure.
Aren't you supposed to be cooking?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to the kitchen straight away.
Starving. The funeral was long and boring. The food better be ready in 15.
Yes, ma'am. It's almost done.
Sit there.
You shouldn't be here. My father always regretted that affair. There's no way he's leaving anything to a child born out of wedlock.
Unlike you, I am here for the family, not the money.
He was ashamed of you. You're stupid if you think you're getting anything.
Don't bother, Michael. She won't be here long anyway.
You're right. You can stay, sister.
Sit there.
Sorry.
Gabriela, let me help you.
No, it's
Can I
okay.
help too?
Yes, please. If you could take this to the kitchen, please. Thank you.
God, it's disgusting. Gabriela, where are you going? Each of us.
Our family doesn't eat with servants.
Michael, Gabriela was like a family member to our dad. She cared about him more than you ever did. All you care about is money.
Miss Lorenzo was working for him.
She was the only one by Dad's side when he died.
It's okay, Alice. I'll eat in the kitchen.
Michael, you're...
Looks like no one wants to listen to you ranting.
You know what's weird? You're Philip's daughter. You don't seem to get any of his good qualities.
The lawyer is here.
Oh. Well, shall we then?
Thank you.
Just so you know, these are the last seconds of yours in this house. You're out as soon as this house becomes ours.
But Mrs. Peterson, I have no other place to go.
That's not our problem, is it?
Gabriela, thank you for everything. And I'm really sorry for my brother. But all of this will be over soon. He will get the money, and we will find some other ways to survive.
I tried to find a new job. It's really not that easy.
I know. But don't you worry, okay? I will help you out until you get back on your feet.
Really? Thank you so much.
I'm here today to read out the final will of Philip Peterson.
Oh, do we really need to do this? We all know what it is going to say.
I, Philip Peterson, being of sound mind, declare this document to be my final will and testament. I leave my house, all my valuable collection, and all the profit I made from my company to Miss Gabriella Lorenzo.
This can't be true. You... I know what you did, you little...
I didn't, I swear I didn't. I had no idea he's gonna leave everything to me.
Ah, no dear, no dear. Little girls like you will do anything.
I didn't, I swear.
You are lying.
Gabriella, darling, I'm very sorry for the way I treated you. It was just a really stressful day, you know? And I just wanted to make sure that everything goes well. Now, you know how hard Michael worked to make his dad proud, right? So it's just really not fair that our family doesn't get anything. And Edmund, he's gonna need money for college.
I'm so sorry. I can't. I'm sorry.
Gabriella.
Gabrielle, look, I always liked you. I only married my wife to make my dad happy. If you agree, I will divorce my wife and come to live with you. Here.
What did you tell her?
It's not your business.
It is my business because now we're broke. So you better find a way to get money from that girl. Gabriella, I think that's the best decision my dad has ever made.
What should I do now?
Whatever you decide, I'll support you.
Gabrielle, don't listen to my sister. She just wants to take the money from you. But if you share the money with us, I promise, I will take care of you. You can stay and work for us. And I'll even be generous with your salary.
But if I keep the money, I don't need to work at all. I made my decision. I'm keeping the house and the money.
Oh, for God's sake. Oh, let's go.
And it would be an honor if you, Alice, stayed with me. With your daughter, of course. I'll share the money with you. And you can live at your childhood home.
But you don't have to do that.
I want to. You're the only one who promised to help me in a difficult situation. And you never cared about the money. And you always treated me like family.
Family is always more important than money.
Very well, Miss Lorenzo. Come to my office tomorrow and we'll deal with all the documents.
Gabrielle, please. Tell me a little thing about it. This can't be your last decision. Gabrielle, please. Hannah?
We had a deal. You promised me money. You promised I'll never have to work. And now you have nothing. You're completely in debt because of your new stupid car. So I'm gonna take my child and I'm gonna go.
Hannah, wait. We can figure it out together.
There's no together. You're gonna be hearing from my lawyer.
You ruined my life. You took away my family.
I'll take care of it. Come on, Mike.
Are you okay?
It's over now.
It is.
Come. I'll show you your new room.
Hey guys, what did you think about the video? Do you have a similar exciting story to tell? Let us know in the comments. We're publishing new short stories every week, so be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to be the first to see the new Secret Diaries.